Alright, Foodie Adventure fans, welcome to another Mukbang Market Watch, where we eat these lovely Mochi donuts that I haven't had ever before. And we're going to talk about stocks you should buy. Really, if you have a little bit of money, you should buy all these stocks. No, I'm just joking. Alright, I don't know which ones to start with first. Let's go for the bright ones. Wow, viewers. They're basically made with rice flour, so they're kind of like basically rice donuts. Looks like we got jasmine milk tea here. They're kind of cold a little bit chilly. Let's give that a shot. Soft and moist. The icing and flavor is uncanny. It's not some piece of bread. I see why there was a line for this. I mean, this is like a pure work of art on my flavor buds. Dude, guys, this is probably not going to be my favorite flavor, but you ever had like a pizza crust that tasted so good that you just had to eat the whole crust? This is even better than that. This is unreal, the texture I'm tasting. This is better than an actual donut, to be honest. Flavor explosion. Of course, I can't pass up this strawberry cheesecake. Look at this lovely morsel. Homer's like watching from home like, don't, no. Reminiscing about the times I used to eat regular donuts. Those days, people, are gone. You ever had some of that stuff from a strawberry shortcake ice cream bar? That's what's on top of here. Fire. Only downside is you can't inhale it. You have to actually chew these, guys. You don't want to choke on one of these. I'm working hard, but I'm hardly working, let me tell you. That is so good. You know what I'd recommend with these? More dipping sauce of the same topping that's already on it. Just dip it right back in there. Alright, so I got myself a milk, kind of wash it down a little bit of organic grass-fed milk. Gotta have the best. So yeah, let's talk about some stocks. Let's talk about CVX, Chevron Corporation. So I believe they have what it takes to make it in the long haul. I looked at them to get back to the 3-digit numbers, maybe like 115 pretty soon. Oil and gas is definitely coming back. We can't depend on electric vehicles that none of us drive yet. So I'm definitely driving for a little bit of oil and gas to pop right back up. I'm sure you guys are hearing about this. We are stuck at about $40 a barrel, but I think things will change pretty soon. We will eradicate this situation that's going on and make things the best. I would say CVX, Chevron, them purchasing Noble is huge. They were already doing really well, and I think by purchasing Noble, they got a few platforms that they're going to really be able to make a lot of money from. And that's just a nice little hypothesis. But hopefully I'm right about this, and you don't have to take any of my advice as a financial advisor. This is basically for entertainment purposes, but I will help you guys and kind of give you good ideas on what to invest in, especially during earning and dividend season. AM, Antero Midstream, still doing pretty good, about a few cents higher than what I said it was last time. I believe it was like $5.89 or $5.90 something. It's about between $6.10, $6.13. So that was moving pretty well. So I got AM, I got CVX and Chevron. I might go back to GNUS. You never know. That's at 175. If I see it go underneath 160 Monday morning, you never know, I might buy in. I do see some calls for GNUS around $2.50 to $3. I imagine that means it's probably going to go up to $2.80 and then shoot back down maybe to $1.50. So you guys better be careful with Genius brands. I know some of you were highly invested in it. The iOS app for Cartoon Network is actually out right now, and so that's also big news as well. I know there's some more news coming possibly this week and next week, so just brace yourself for that. Getting back to these Mochi donuts here from Miso Sweets, another great small business we want to go ahead and put on the map. They don't have their own shop, so it's like basically a pop-up. And met them at a T-spot. I'm skipping. I touched this one. It's meant to be. I'm hearing this is caramel flavor. See that, viewers? Caramel. Let's see if it's caramel. It looks like chocolate to me. Chocolate caramel. Even better. Guys, please don't forget to smash the like button or just press it, to a decent capacity so you don't break your phone. But we definitely could use a like. I mean, we're not a big channel. We're still kind of like a mom and pop shop starter channel, and we could use all the views and all the shares. If you could tell your friends and make some comments, let us know what you want to see in the videos. Yummy. Trust me, guys, we're gonna bring you some content you're gonna really enjoy. Definitely subscribe to this channel. It wouldn't hurt to see our videos and have them, pop up a little bit faster in your feed. That way you can get better food ideas. You can be more prepared for vacations. Speaking of vacations, I really need one, but these Mochi donuts, they definitely take me to my own little donut vacation. I feel like this is like if Homer Simpson liked Mochi donuts, he'd be in paradise right now. When you go, make sure you get 2 of each flavor. That means for you, there's no fighting involved, okay? No fighting involved. You got 2 of each flavor. You really can't go wrong. The pop-up was over at Ding's Tea in Sugarland, so we're able to get one of those monster brown sugar boba. It was a monster boba latte or whatever. Got a small one. Not bad. Not exactly coffee, mostly milk, but it was very flavorful, and the brown sugar gave it a nice effect. So if you didn't think it looked great, other people think, hey, this is a good looking drink, I should get it. But that's not the main feature today. The main feature is going to be the Mochi donut. The Oreo is next up on the list, and it is looking very, very nice. Indeed. Just like what you would expect. Cookies and cream. Now I feel like a professional. Just a few flavors in. I'm digging this. I could definitely do this. Mochi donuts over regular donuts. Believe it or not, this is a new hype, guys. This is not just hype. This is a real trend. And the trend is if you only get one flavor, you're going to be cutting these in half. And I don't know. When I take a bite, it's like a half almost. Now I got the jasmine milk tea. Can't pass it up twice, right? I got 2 flavors of it because I heard it was super popular and new. Jasmine milk tea. Guys, I'm bringing it to you right here, right now. History is being made. The Foodie Adventurer is trying Mochi donuts for the first time. Excellent. That jasmine milk icing on top is very aromatic. You taste that jasmine immediately, but in a great way. Can't believe I passed you up the first time. Maybe the camera person wants one. See, I'm nice. Like the rest are mine. Be careful, guys. They're pretty filling. At this point, I'm gonna have to just eat half of these donuts just so I don't really hurt myself, because sometimes I just don't know when to stop eating. All right, now back to stock news. You guys know I'm definitely into this one ticker symbol, JNUG, I'm into this one ticker symbol, JNUG, JNUG. And I bought, like I said, I bought it at $85 back in May. And it is already up to $156. It's topped out at $160 just last week. I believe that if the economy really gets going a little bit more like I think it is, that the price of that ETF might go down just a little bit. But I would definitely invest if you see it back at 140 or 130, definitely jump back in. And if you haven't jumped on it, definitely get on that nugget. It'll take you places for sure. Other than that, there's another one that I'm looking at, NUGT, NUGT, I believe. And that's going to be another stock very similar. I believe it's going to be with Direction as well. And that stock has been kind of mirror imaging it in growth. About $100 and something, about almost $100 right now is the price. It was just at about 90. And it's had some pretty good growth. It kind of crept up on me, actually. I didn't really realize the stock was doing that well. But gold, the price of gold is up. You definitely need to know that. I think it's $1,880. Okay, about $1,800 right now. Once it gets to like $2,000 or $2,500, you can expect some big things from gold stocks, bullion, things like that. So back to these lovely donuts here at the Mukbang Market Watch. Looks like we got a Fruity Pebble Mochi donut. No. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button, share, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm going to get you some Mochi donuts. Yeah, this is definitely like your cream cereal, like your cereal cream donut. This definitely has a little nostalgia to it. The crushed cereal makes its own little sprinkles, and then that wasn't enough. On the inside, if you look close, you can see little pebbles of the cereal baked into the Mochi donut to give it an extra added flavor. Excellent. These so far have been really good. And they're really like $2 each, but if you buy 12, it's 20 bucks, right? So this is a good deal, especially for a rarity item like such. Nobody else is making this stuff right now yet, you know. If you're ever in Houston, look them up online. Before we go, I think I should do at least one or two more flavors and maybe mention another stock. Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That one looks good, but the yellow one looks like it glows. Okay, go for that. Clean the palette first. all that syrup. All right. Can you guys guess what this flavor is going to be? Is it mango, banana, apricot? I mean, who really knows? That's the fun about all this. I didn't even look at any flavors. I just told them give me one of each. And a couple extra of the best ones. I knew it was going to be mango. Wow. At this point, it doesn't cease to amaze me how much awesome flavor explosion adventure in your mouth there is. It's so good, I'm losing my breath. Good thing I don't have to eat these with a mask on. Guys, I think I'm in a weird sugar rush right now. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm in like a trance. Okay, let me shake out of it. All right, and other stocks that are pretty obvious to me in the tech world, I believe that Nokia at around $4 is a really good buy. They have a lot of 5G patents, and if you're looking for more stocks with 5G patents, I'd say Ericsson is right next to it. And it's a little bit higher price, more like $10 to $11 instead of like $4. But hey, they're both really good investments, I believe, in the future. And probably right now just really at a good price. I'm also going to say that on the whole Chevron, the CVX, it's at around $89, $90. I would say you could wait till earnings, like maybe buy in Thursday or buy in right after earnings on Friday. You'll definitely find out what's going to happen with that company, so you can definitely wait if you want to. That would be the more logical thing to do. But I'm going to buy in early just because I have a little hunch that the price is going to go up. So that's my stock recommendations. These are my Mochi donuts. I'm going to try one more. This has got to be like a lavender. Not really sure, but I think I can handle it. But now it tastes more like taro coconut. Well, that's all for this Mukbang Market Watch. If I eat any more donuts, I'm going to make enemies. Yeah, if I eat any more donuts, I'm going to turn into Homer Simpson. I just don't want to be doing, no, because I bought GNUS brands and, I lost all my money or whatever. Don't put all your eggs into one basket, guys. Definitely diversify. Do a little bit of gold, do a little bit of tech stock, maybe a little S&P, And a nice little ratio that you really can't lose during a volatile market. Now, when things change later on and we get into like a melta and all the stocks going up pretty high, it doesn't really matter what you're in, that's different. But right now, you definitely want to get set up for the future and pay attention to the earnings and dividends. And you're going to be on the right track, especially if you're a new investor. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and keep up with Mukbang Market Watch. We're going to be doing new videos every other day, trying to go ahead and maintain excellence on the channel. So guys can let us know what kind of donuts you want us to try next time. But we're not just about donuts, we do all kinds of food, so we're not afraid. Just go ahead and let us know what you like. We'd love to hear it. Thank you, Foodie Adventure fans, and we're signing off.